Market examiners accept Sushi could reach $5.29 by 2025. Bearish Sushiswap market cost expectation for 2022 is 94 cents. Sushiswap presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by an unknown engineer known as culinary expert Nomi. The venture started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging charges. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them compensations as Sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging charges. The Sushiswap group has been censured for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as charges of insider exchanging and misappropriation. Nonetheless, the task has kept on filling in fame and stays one of the top DES on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious engineer known as gourmet specialist Nomi, and later gained by FTX Trade. The vital element of Sushiswap is its utilization of the computerized market producer model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot less complex to use than customary DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be hard to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a remarkable motivation structure for liquidity suppliers, who can procure Sushi's the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage moving along as planned. Sushiswap basic investigation. The Sushiswap convention utilizes a variation of the Dutch sale instrument to decide the cost of every token exchange. Sushiswap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses similar security components as other brilliant agreements sent on Ethereum. These security instruments include cryptographic marks. Every exchange submitted to Sushiswap is endorsed by the shipper's confidential key. This mark can be checked by anybody utilizing the source's public key. Transaction expenses. All exchanges submitted to Sushiswap cause a charge, which is paid in ETH. These charges are utilized to pay for state changes made by the exchange, like refreshing equilibriums or adding new requests. Netting. Sushiswap uses an advancement strategy called netting, which decreases the quantity of state changes expected for each exchange. This enhancement helps keep exchange expenses low and lessens blockage on the Ethereum organization. Security. In spite of its ubiquity, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries originate from the way that Sushiswap is a generally new task and has not gone through as much evaluating and testing as a few different ventures in the space. Also, there have been a few occurrences of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's brilliant agreement code. While these worries are substantial, it is vital to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it may take to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have carried out a bug abundance program to boost specialists to report any issues they find. Also, they have employed a few trustworthy evaluating firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly these security concerns will be relieved. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Sushiswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Sushiswap value expectation 2022. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Sushi cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.76. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.65 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.41. Sushiswap value forecast 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap Sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sushi will before long outperform $2.94. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Sushi's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.35 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.59. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.11 and Sushi might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.76 and a low of $3.53 in 2024. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Sushiswap effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sushi will be green in 2025. The Sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.29, with a base cost of $4.70 and a typical cost of $4.94. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the sushi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.88 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Sushi has a most extreme value worth of $6.47. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.29. In the event that Sushi figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7.64. Neglecting to assemble the help Sushi needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $7.05. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2028. While Sushi is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.23 and a yearly cost close above $8.82 in 2028. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Sushiswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $9.40 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.99, averaging out at $9.64. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2030 makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest sushi cost in 2030 is projected to be $11.52 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $11.05. And, all in all, the Sushiswap project has been lauded for major areas of strength for its commitment and administration model. In general, Sushiswap is a promising venture that offers a special answer for the issue of digital money liquidity. It is not yet clear whether it can keep on developing at its ongoing speed and become a key part in the DeFi space. What is the Sushiswap cost today? Today, Sushiswap is exchanging at $1.18 with a complete market capitalization of $149,575,957. Is Sushiswap a wise speculation? Sushiswap ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Sushi is a decent decision of venture. How high